Falling in love is easy, but staying in love takes some effort. Long-term couples report that they find some real changes in their relationship over time, and they miss what used to come more easily in the beginning. There are three main big areas. The first is communication. Long-term couples report that earlier in their relationship, they had great conversations of two types. One was the long, meandering conversations, getting to know each other, hearing about their day, supporting each other, having each other's back. The other thing that they report was easier in the beginning was conflict conversations about tough stuff, like say finances or whether to buy a house. That they were more kind, more courteous, and they were a little more easily able to find getting on the same page. Over time, though, power struggles can come in, and long-term couples report that they really struggle and they may not listen to each other well anymore, and they may feel isolated and like the arguments are really not healthy and not leading them somewhere, and they want to learn how to move that forward again. The other two areas are in the areas of the romance and the bedroom. Longer-term couples say, things were easier, there was more spark, there was more fun, there was more dating and more pleasure. They felt more appreciated by their partner and like they were number one, and they really mattered in their partner's world and vice versa. And those long-term couples say, how do we move that forward again? How do we get that back? Well, I'm here to help you with that. My name's Dr. Cheryl Fraser, and you should wonder, who the heck am I and why should you listen to me? By training, I'm a clinical psychologist and sex therapist. I'm a worldwide speaker on stages with people like Tony Robbins and Jack Canfield of Chicken Soup for the Soul. I'm a published author of the book Buddhist Bedroom, a podcast host, a radio host. I've been on television. But most importantly, in the last 5 years, I've worked with thousands of couples in my free masterclass and my online programs. Long-term couples who want more. They want more passion, more connection, more communication, more happiness, and more fun. And they want less. They want less conflict and less loneliness and less distance. So this month only, I'm going to be teaching my free masterclass. I really would love couples to join, because what I'm going to be teaching are these three key areas in much more detail of what works in long-term relationship and how we can move forward from where we are to where we want to be. So I hope you'll click below and choose to join me. Pick the time that works for you, and we're going to send out a little workbook because I want couples to start having some conversations that maybe they've been avoiding to help them rate how they're doing, where they want to get to, and then join this free workshop. And I intend to help couples get from where they are to where they want to be, because long-term great relationship isn't an accident. Like anything else in our life, it takes some effort, some training, and some support. I'm here to help. Can't wait to meet you.